The Lee County single-family home market in June 2025 showed signs of growing activity, with increased sales volume and buyer interest, despite continuing price declines and longer time on market. Key highlights: sales and dollar volume. Closed sales rose 13.2% to 1,350, indicating higher market activity. Dollar volume increased 8.5% to $706 million, despite lower prices. Pricing trends. The median sale price declined 5% to $380,000. The average sale price dropped 4.1% to $522,937. This suggests buyers are active but at more affordable price points. Cash buyers. Cash sales were up 16.8%, signaling stronger investor or second home buyer activity. Market speed. Homes took longer to sell, with median time to contract up 24.5% to 66 days. Median time to sale rose 8.3% to 104 days, indicating a slower pace. Seller pricing power. Sellers received 92.7% of their original list price on average, down 2.1% from last year. Inventory and listings. Active listings increased 28.3% to 8,837, and months' supply of inventory rose to 7.9 months, up 31.7%, shifting leverage further to buyers. Pending inventory declined slightly, minus 9.6%, while new listings increased 2.4%. Pending sales. New pending sales were up 5.7%, reflecting continued demand. Conclusion. Lee County's June 2025 market shows stronger sales activity and cash purchases despite lower prices and slower closing times. The growing inventory and longer time to contract indicate a market where buyers have more options and negotiating power, suggesting a buyer-friendly environment with increasing momentum. The Lee County townhouse and condo market in June 2025 presented a mixed performance, with slightly increased sales activity but sharply declining prices and growing inventory, signaling a market under pressure and tilting further toward buyers. Key highlights. Sales and pricing. Closed sales edged up 3.2% year-over-year to 382 units. The median sale price dropped 22.5% to $270,000, and the average sale price fell 16.7% to $345,107, a significant decline in property values. As a result, dollar volume fell 14% to $131.8 million, despite the increase in transactions. Cash buyers. Cash sales rose 8.1%, indicating increased activity from investors or second home buyers. Market speed. Median time to contract increased 22.7% to 81 days. Median time to sale rose 14.3% to 120 days, reflecting slower buyer decision-making and longer listing durations. Seller pricing power. Sellers received 87.9% of their original list price on average, down 3.6%, showing more negotiation flexibility. Inventory and supply. Active listings increased 21.1% to 4,251 units. Months' supply of inventory rose to 12.0 months, a 44.6% jump, highlighting a clear shift to a buyer's market. Pending inventory declined slightly by minus 1.2%, while new listings were down 10.1%, suggesting some seller hesitancy. Buyer interest. New pending sales grew 18%, indicating strengthening buyer interest, likely driven by the lower prices. Conclusion. The Lee County condo and townhouse market in June 2025 is characterized by softer pricing, longer selling times, and growing inventory. Despite the value drop, buyer activity is improving, especially with cash sales and pending contracts rising, offering strong opportunities for buyers in a shifting market landscape.
For more information about real estate in Naples, Florida, contact Southwest Coast Realty at 239-229-9926.